Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Today we will set up a lab for firewall, and we will install fortigate firewall and a EVNG. Okay, I'll show you fortigate. There is no firewall, so let's open WinSCP. Okay, and put IP address 1.128.evng and username root and password ev. Okay, and go to OPT and add on, and this there is nothing. Okay, so I have set up a other side in my laptop FortiGate firewall. Yeah, this one. Okay, we can drag and drop like this. Okay, and also if you have only one you can create a same like that. Don't let's use a EVNG fortigate naming. Okay, the naming of the fortigate firewall. Fortigate and FTG v6 built 100, fortigate FMG physics built at 1183, like that. Okay, so just I'll show you what is the name. Yeah, this is a FortiGate. FGT is a FortiGate V6 built 1010. Okay, and you can, so this is a FortiGate firewall. This is a manager, and this is a analyzer. Okay, so just we are adding a FortiGate firewall, only FortiGate firewall. Okay, close this one and run the this command, permission command. After that this command, they fix the permission to the this image. Okay, opt init lab wrapper and minus fix permission. Okay, enter. Okay, and let's check fortigate firewall. Now it's gray out and 6 version. Okay, and start it. Let's wait for open. Start and system formatting, share data permission done. Start system maintenance. Now start, and username is admin and password is a blank, and you can set a new password. In my case, I'm setting the set the password is admin. Okay, so system interface. Okay, we can see this interface, and also we can you want to like GUI access, so we can use management cloud and port number 1. Okay, and start. Once start, wait for start. Okay, Yeah, now start. The one time is asking for default password. Now start and configuration, system interface, port now, edit port number 1 and set IP 192.168.1.130 and 255.255.255.0. We can't change because the is set mode is static. Okay, and then can enter the static IP and set allow https http and ping and next and end. Okay, now we can access 192.168.1.130 and now able to access admin. Now we are able to access on our GUI mode. Yeah, this is the latest version because in my I think it's the latest version. Just have to mention the 7.00. So have to create again a folder and then put the same image. Okay, and is in a network in the interface. We set the port 1 is IP the 192.168.1.130 and allow ping http https. Okay, there is no policy right now, only one policy, explicit is deny, I think. Yeah, implicitly deny. Okay, and we will next video will configure how to configure the FortiGate firewall, install all these things and policies, netting, all these things will in the next video. So thank you for watching this video.